Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you what to do if you're not receiving notifications on your iPhone. First of all, make sure to restart your iPhone. It's best to do a force restart, which is gonna be done by pressing shortly on volume up, and then pressing shortly on volume down, then pressing and holding on power button until the screen turns off. So let's volume up and release, volume down and release, power button, press and hold. Even if it shows slide to power off, keep on pressing. Now it's gonna restart the device, and we'll see. Now, if this won't work, then we're gonna do a few other things, but this is something that is often fixing the issue. Okay, and now you if this didn't help, go to settings, then go to notifications, and we're gonna adjust a few settings here. So let's go to notifications, then first of all go to like scheduled summary, and if it is enabled, then it's gonna do a summary of your notifications. And you can have like some apps in the schedule, you can have hours set, and if those apps are added to the schedule, then simply you won't receive notifications from them on time. Instead, they will show up in the summary. So I'm just gonna disable the scheduled summary, or disable the apps in the summary that you don't want to like have problems with. Now, also you may want to go to an app that has that you have problems with, and go to alerts, and make sure that all of these are set here. And yeah, now and that notification style, if everything is set here, then you should see your notifications. And also, if you need, then you may want, if this didn't help, go to Face ID and passcode. Then I think there should be an option for that. Hold on a second. Okay, yeah, I actually don't have a PIN code on my iPhone, but if you have, make sure that notification center is enabled here, so you can view like notifications when your phone is locked. This doesn't mean you'll see the content of notifications, that will be hidden, but you'll see that you've received any notifications at all. So yeah, that is important. Also, in the notifications, you are able to select like show previews, and you can set it to when unlocked. So if you're worried about other people seeing your notifications when your phone is locked, you can set it to when unlocked, and then other people will see just the name of apps from which the notifications are from, but you won't see they won't see any content. So yeah. But it's just worth having it enabled, so you don't have a problem with it. If you're still experiencing any problems, go to General Software Update, and if there's any update available, just install it, so it'll fix maybe there's an issue. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.